Today I'm going to be talking about the cultures of Malaysia. There are mostly three common cultures in Malaysia, such as Indians, Malays, and Chinese. As for the Chinese, they celebrate Chinese New Year. The traditional clothes is cheongsam, which is a red dress with a cut on the side as a design. The traditional food is kong pao chicken. They usually give ang pao. Ang pao is basically a red packet which they put money in to switch to each other. They do this activity called lion dance, which are people who wear special clothes and they dress up as dragons. For Hari Raya, the traditional clothes is baju kurung. Baju kurung is a long top. It's full sleeve and it's a long skirt. The traditional food is nasi lemak. They usually use ang pao with money or so and they give it to each other. They call it as duit raya. And for the Indians, they celebrate Deepavali, which the traditional clothes is sari and jipa. Sari is a top with a skirt and a shawl. Their traditional foods are thosai, roti canai, and biryani. They have other Indian sweets also, known as laddu, jalebi, and coconut candy. All these different cultures are very unique to Malaysia, and that's what makes Malaysia so special.